particular role here at the organization is the VP of Client Experience. And so I think a great deal about what our partnership looks like with our clients. And I think that's the most important thing, is that word partnership. We're not particularly interested in coming in and doing a project or developing a bunch of code. We work with our clients to really understand what their digital needs are and what those goals are and how we can work together to realize them. More often than not, that is in the form of some kind of a digital execution, but sometimes it isn't. We've worked with our clients on everything from management technique to content development, creative, thinking about strategy. All of that often rolls up into a digital experience. But when we think about how we work with a client, we think about it in terms of answering the right questions rather than picking that technology or starting from the endpoint if we need a website. We really think about how can we partner together to meet a set of business goals. The second thing I would say about partnering with Connective DX is that we are a really attentive group of people. We're a small company. We're not a giant behemoth corporation. We have 2 offices, one on the East Coast, one on the West Coast. But the people who you meet during your sales process and as we are shaping what a particular engagement might look like are generally the people that you are going to be working with throughout your partnership with us. Over time that may evolve and you may be working with folks in different domains. And as our relationship grows, we will bring more and more people into that fold. But the people who you meet and you become comfortable with become your partners. We are very easy to reach, by the phone or via email, and we like to travel. So we are happy to, come out to wherever you may be and do our workshops and do our, the other kinds of alignment activities that we do together when we plan the early phases of a project. We also tend to co-develop with our clients. So we will have people from your team come on site here in Boston or in Portland and learn how to form a norm into a team together. Those are some good times, actually. And the third thing is we are a thoughtful agency. A lot of times people come to us and they say something like, we need a website. And we will push back. We will push back where we think that's appropriate and where we are not sure that we're asking the right questions or that our clients are asking the right questions. I think when people are about to invest a tremendous amount of money in the optimization of a digital experience, the time to get the solutions right is at the beginning of the process, not at the end of the process, not when you're in development, not when you've already invested a ton of time and effort into getting to a certain point, but before you've started. And so a lot of the work that we do is hypothesis-based. We will look at research, we will conduct research, we will ask a lot of questions in order to get to a set of hypotheses that we then use design activities and development to build out and prove. Personally, I would rather start with a small project and test it, make sure that it's answering the right business questions before we go ahead and build something really tremendous and really meaningful and really potentially expensive, which a lot of the kinds of projects that our clients are talking about are. Those are the things that I want to get right the first time, and our team is very dedicated to thinking in that way.